Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In this video I show you how to install other network printer. First you must connect this printer to network, and your PC is connected to a network, same network. Your PC and this printer in same network. Let's see how to do it. First we can check this. I'm in network folder. I'm not available in network. Let's see how to enable network. We can go to control panel, and you can see network and sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings, turn on network discover, and turn on file and printer sharing. Okay, and we can check I'm available in network. Okay, we can go to network, and you can see now I am in network. Okay, now we can install printer. We can go to control panel, you can see, and we can go to devices and printers. You can see at the printer, click at the printer, and you can see available other printers. I want to click this one and click next button. You can see install it, and next, and you can see you can next and next, and you can see now my printer is installed. Thank you.
If you haven't subscribed to the Ninja PC channel yet, subscribe now. You can watch many valuable videos like this.